Okay, so the design of the Samsung's upcoming high-end phones were already revealed thanks to all leaks. But this time we have something even more. 9to1 Mobile has released marketing images of the Samsung Galaxy S23 series that is promoting the Galaxy S23 Plus, S23 Ultra and the S23. We can also see the existing Galaxy wearables like Galaxy Watch 5 or 5 Pro and the Buds 2 Pro. Now the Galaxy S23 Plus is shown in its signature color pink, while the S23 Ultra is shown in green as leaked earlier. You know what is more interesting than this? Well, this render alone makes it clear that we're gonna have something even bigger coming right after this. So definitely keep an eye on this channel. Now previous rumors already suggested that the S22 Ultra will feature a very slight redesign and overclocked version of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and it will be made by Samsung Foundry. And we've already seen the crazy benchmarking numbers. They're great. But also we are gonna see 200 megapixel camera that will also support 8K 30fps video and sensor shift optical image stabilization. Now if you want to know more about all these things in detail, then you can check out my recent videos on that. Now one thing interesting here is that the camera rings here are body colored, unlike the S22 Ultra's one. So that's actually a good small little touch. But aside from that, there is one upgrade / downgrade in front-facing camera. All of the S23 models are gonna get 12 megapixel front-facing camera, and if that's the scenario, then yeah, it will be a downgrade for the Ultra model, but it will be an upgrade for the standard models. But just like the current models, all of them will have razor-thin bezels and a small little tiny punch hole. Now according to my smart price, the US variant of the 2023 flagships are already visible in the FCC documents, and they have also crossed the China's certifications and other certifications as well. Now according to the FCC certification, the S23 will have a battery capacity of a normal rating 3900 mAh, while the Plus variant will have 4700 mAh battery, and the S23 Ultra will continue to have the same 5000 mAh battery. Give or take a little bit of improvements you can see, but that's only in software and optimization, not in the battery capacity. The 6.8-inch curved display, 1440p resolution, all of these things are great, but do you know that the S23 Ultra will come with LTPO 3.0 technology? And on top of everything else, it will come with E6 panel. And I have made a much more in-depth video on that. Check out that one. Now, if you're thinking when exactly we can expect the Unpacked event, well, it's actually mid to end February of next year. Why it is coming that late? I mean, it should come in the early part of the month. Well, there is a reason behind it, and it could be related to the price. So definitely let me know how excited you are for the whole Galaxy S23 series. So as a surprise, you can actually download this new 8K wallpapers pack for free to use on your desktops, smartphones or tablets. You can also get a lot of tech news far more quickly and free watch faces for your Wear OS or Tizen smartwatches up on my website. All the links are down in the description below. Until the next one, bye and take care.